Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving east from Industry Cove towards Davis Cove. Entering Davis Cove. Crossing Davis Cove River. The road on the right is the Davis Cove to Dyas Road, and that road will take you to Blenheim, Cocoon, Dalmally, Dyas and the other communities. Entering Cousins Cove. The road on the left will take you to Cove Primary School, Cove Basic School and Davis Cove Seventh-day Adventist Church. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.